Why we round the corners in Neurographic Art? As we draw more neurographic lines, or neural lines, they will naturally intersect and interact with each other. And that's exactly what should happen. Each intersection forms an angle. And here is the interesting part. Your brain reads sharp angles as conflicts. That's why, especially when you're just a beginner, when you're just starting out, you don't leave these angles sharp. To bring harmony to these internal conflicts, we do something simple but very powerful. We just round these corners. I will show you. It's actually very easy. And let me show you a close-up of how we do that. And when we round our angles, the brain naturally sees a circle. Over millions of years, the brain has learned that round shapes are safe. You can't hurt yourself on something soft and round. That's why your subconscious calms down when it sees all of these smooth intersections. Once you have rounded the edges, your subconscious feels like the conflict has been resolved, the brain no longer feels threatened, and it stops resisting. Instead of triggering fear, you are creating a new neural node, a place where fresh neural connection can grow. And what once felt scary and unfamiliar now becomes natural. Thank you for watching. Much more to come, so stay tuned.